praise. Hear the sound of heaven, like the sounds of many waters. It's the sound of worship coming from His throne. There are cries of adoration as men from every nation lift their voice to make His glory known, singing hallelujah, singing holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. The elders and angels bow worship Him because He deserves the glory. There is an angel's bow. The redeemed worship You now. Your presence, O God. Your presence, O God.